Welcome to my YouTube channel, SEO, Busness and Marketings. In this video, we discuss in detail about SEO basics for business owners. Imagine launching a beautiful business website after investing months of effort into creating your products, designing your brand, writing content, and preparing for customers. Everything looks professional, your services are outstanding, and you're confident that people will discover your business online. Days pass, then weeks, and eventually months, but your website receives only a handful of visitors. Meanwhile, your competitors continue attracting thousands of potential customers every month without spending enormous amounts on advertising. At first, this may seem unfair, but the reality is that successful businesses understand one of the most valuable skills in the digital economy: search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. While many people believe SEO is simply about adding keywords to a web page, it is actually a complete strategy that helps search engines understand your business, your content, and the value you provide to customers. Businesses that understand SEO create websites that are easier to find, easier to trust, and ultimately more profitable over the long term. Every day, billions of searches are performed on search engines by people looking for products, services, answers, businesses, and solutions to problems. Someone may search for the best accounting software, a local plumber, business consulting services, marketing agencies, online courses, legal advice, healthcare providers, or financial planning. Behind every search is a person with a specific intention. Some are simply gathering information, while others are comparing options before making a purchase. Many are ready to buy immediately. Search engines exist to connect these people with the most relevant, trustworthy, and useful content available. Their primary goal is not to promote businesses, but to satisfy users by providing the best possible answers. Understanding this simple principle changes the entire way businesses approach online marketing. When a person enters a search query, search engines instantly analyze billions of web pages using incredibly sophisticated algorithms. These algorithms evaluate hundreds of ranking factors before deciding which pages deserve to appear at the top of the results. Although the exact formulas remain confidential, search engines consistently reward websites that provide valuable content, excellent user experiences, fast loading speeds, mobile-friendly designs, secure connections, and trustworthy information. This means SEO is not about tricking search engines. It is about building a better website for real people while making it easier for search engines to understand that value. Many business owners make the mistake of believing that once a website is published, customers will automatically arrive. In reality, the internet contains hundreds of millions of active websites competing for attention. Simply existing online does not guarantee visibility. Imagine opening a store in the middle of a vast desert without roads, signs, or directions. Even if your products are exceptional, customers cannot purchase what they cannot find. SEO builds those digital roads, helping search engines discover your website and directing potential customers toward your business at exactly the moment they are searching for what you offer. One of the most important foundations of SEO is understanding search intent. Every search reflects a purpose. Some users want to learn something new, others want to compare products, locate nearby businesses, solve technical problems, or complete purchases. Successful businesses create content that matches these different intentions instead of trying to force every visitor into an immediate sale. Someone searching for beginner photography tips expects educational information rather than aggressive advertising. Another person searching for the best CRM software pricing may already be comparing purchasing options. Businesses that understand these differences build trust naturally because they provide the right information at the right stage of the customer's journey. Keywords play an important role within SEO, but their purpose is often misunderstood. Keywords are simply the words and phrases people type into search engines when looking for information. Rather than randomly inserting popular keywords throughout a web page, businesses should identify the exact language their potential customers use. Understanding customer vocabulary allows websites to communicate more naturally while improving relevance. Modern search engines have become highly intelligent and recognize context, meaning, synonyms, and user intent. This means successful SEO focuses on answering complete questions rather than repeating individual words unnecessarily. Content remains one of the strongest drivers of search visibility because search engines continuously seek useful information to present to users. Businesses that publish educational articles, detailed guides, case studies, tutorials, industry insights, frequently asked questions, comparison pages, and practical solutions demonstrate expertise while attracting visitors throughout different stages of the buying process. High-quality content not only increases search visibility, but also establishes authority within a particular industry. When customers repeatedly find helpful information from the same business, confidence grows naturally, making future purchasing decisions much easier. However, excellent content alone is rarely enough. The overall structure of a website significantly influences both user experience and search engine performance. Clear navigation, logical page organization, descriptive page titles, informative headings, internal links connecting related topics, and simple website architecture help visitors quickly locate the information they need. Search engines also benefit because organized websites are easier to crawl, index, and understand. Businesses should think of their websites as well-designed libraries where every piece of information has a logical place, rather than scattered documents with no clear organization. Technical performance has become increasingly important as user expectations continue rising. People expect websites to load almost instantly regardless of the device they are using. Even small delays can frustrate visitors, increase abandonment rates, and reduce customer satisfaction. Search engines recognize this behavior and reward websites that deliver fast, reliable experiences. Optimizing images, reducing unnecessary code, using efficient hosting services, enabling browser caching, and improving server response times all contribute to stronger performance while enhancing the overall customer experience. Mobile optimization is equally essential because the majority of Internet users now browse through smartphones and tablets. A website that looks perfect on a desktop computer but performs poorly on mobile devices creates unnecessary obstacles for potential customers. Responsive design ensures that layouts automatically adjust to different screen sizes, making navigation simple regardless of the device being used. Search engines prioritize mobile-friendly websites because they reflect modern user behavior and provide better accessibility for broader audiences. Trust has become another major ranking factor in modern SEO. Search engines attempt to identify websites that demonstrate expertise, experience, authority, and credibility. Businesses strengthen trust by providing accurate information, displaying clear contact details, publishing original content, maintaining secure HTTPS connections, earning positive customer reviews, and receiving mentions from other reputable websites. Over time, these trust signals combine to create stronger authority, improving visibility while reassuring customers that they are engaging with a legitimate business. Backlinks continue to play an important role because they act as recommendations from one website to another. When respected organizations reference your content, search engines interpret those links as signals that your information is valuable. However, quality matters far more than quantity. A few links from trusted, relevant websites often provide greater value than hundreds of low-quality links from unrelated sources. Businesses therefore benefit from creating exceptional content that naturally earns attention rather than attempting to manipulate rankings through artificial link-building schemes. Local SEO has become particularly valuable for businesses serving specific geographic areas. Restaurants, healthcare providers, law firms, retail stores, repair services, consultants, fitness centers, educational institutions, and countless other organizations depend on attracting nearby customers. Optimizing business listings, maintaining accurate contact information, encouraging customer reviews, publishing location-specific content, and ensuring consistency across online directories all improve local visibility. When someone searches for services nearby, businesses with strong local optimization gain significant competitive advantages. Analytics transforms SEO from guesswork into measurable business strategy. Modern analytics platforms reveal where visitors come from, which pages receive the most traffic, how long users remain on the website, which keywords generate conversions, and where visitors leave before completing important actions. These insights allow businesses to continually improve content, navigation, user experience, and marketing strategies based on real customer behavior rather than assumptions. Continuous improvement is one of the defining characteristics of successful SEO because search trends, customer expectations, and algorithms continue evolving over time. Artificial intelligence is now reshaping search optimization in remarkable ways. AI-powered search engines increasingly understand natural language, conversational questions, user preferences, and contextual meaning. Businesses must therefore focus less on manipulating algorithms and more on creating genuinely valuable content that answers real questions comprehensively. AI tools also help businesses analyze keywords, identify content opportunities, optimize website performance, generate topic ideas, and monitor competitors more efficiently than ever before. Rather than replacing SEO, artificial intelligence is making it more sophisticated, emphasizing quality, expertise, and user satisfaction above technical shortcuts. Many business owners become discouraged because SEO rarely produces overnight success. Unlike paid advertising, where traffic begins almost immediately, search optimization is a long-term investment. New websites require time to establish authority, earn trust, build content libraries, attract backlinks, and demonstrate consistent value. However, this patience often creates one of the strongest competitive advantages in digital marketing. Once high-quality content begins ranking well, businesses can receive continuous organic traffic for months or even years without paying for every individual visitor. This compounding effect makes SEO one of the most cost-effective customer acquisition strategies available. Ultimately, SEO is not simply about improving rankings on search engines. It is about understanding customers, answering their questions, solving their problems, and creating online experiences that deserve attention. Businesses that consistently focus on delivering value rather than chasing algorithm updates position themselves for sustainable long-term growth. As technology continues advancing and artificial intelligence transforms how people search for information, the businesses that prioritize helpful content, trustworthy information, excellent user experiences, and continuous improvement will remain the ones that earn visibility, attract loyal customers, and build lasting success in the digital economy. See you in the next video. Good luck.